Hello! So we have something exciting to share with you. These are our old Swageless inserts that went inside of our Swageless fittings. These, pow, are our new ones, and they are so much easier to work with. You're not going to have the issues of this happening. Check this out. So before, people would push this on and they'd push it so hard that the spring would pop right off, boom, like that, and everything would fall apart. And so it was kind of a trick to get them installed. Now, you just make sure you have a good clean cut and dundee. Put that on there like that, and you take 2 wrenches and tighten that down really good, and you will be in good shape. We also have new Swageless lag screws coming in that aren't threaded on this side. So this is one solid piece. So that's our new upgrade that's coming. We'll be here shortly. For the time being, these ones we've had designed so that they have this little slot out so that it's easier to, if you needed to remove them, you can remove them. The issue with trying to install them with this is that it's very easy to damage the threads. And so we'd recommend using that just to take the lag out if needed. We really appreciate your business, and we're excited for you guys to use these new Swageless fittings, and know that you will definitely enjoy the time savings for sure with working with these new fittings. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.